Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show my rice water recipe and wash routine. To make the rice water, all you need is rice, an orange, and a jar with a sealed lid. First, I wash the rice to remove excess dirt. Any kind and amount of rice will work. It doesn't need to be fancy, and I probably use too much. Next, I take the washed rice and put it into the jar. Take the orange and peel pieces off and put it into the jar with the rice. This is to help with the smell of the rice as it ferments. Essential oils can also be used for this. Pour water into the jar. And then seal the lid. Ta-da! The rice water is ready to use, or it can be stored in a dark, cool place to ferment for a day or so. For wash day, I need my rice water, a spray bottle, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and olive oil. This is my hair 2 weeks after my first rice water wash. Pour the rice water into the spray bottle. Since my hair is already divided into sections, I'm going to untwist each one and saturate with the rice water. I'm spraying directly on the roots, and then I'm going to work the water through my hair from the roots to the tip. I repeated this process for each section around my head. After I've added the rice water, I lightly retwist my hair. I noticed an immediate difference in my hair the first time using the rice water. It's softer and more hydrated, which makes it a lot easier to manage. I repeated this process for each section around my head. Oh look, a juicy twist. Now that my hair is saturated and retwisted, I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray all over my head to make sure it's wet all over. I couldn't find my shower cap, so I'm using a plastic bag to put over my hair to hold in the moisture while it sets. I let this sit for about an hour. Next, I'm going to add conditioner, but I do not rinse out the rice water. I take my conditioner and work it through each section, making sure I pay close attention to the ends. I also give it a light finger detangle. I do this process for my entire head. Then I take the same plastic bag and put it back on my hair. Also take a heavy t-shirt to help hold in the heat. I let this sit for about an hour, and then I rinse. Sometimes I'll give myself a light scalp massage with the bag before I remove it from my hair. Link check. Next, I rinse each section thoroughly and retwist. I pat my hair dry so that it's still damp but not dripping. Then, I'll take my leave-in conditioner and saturate each section. I roughly part my hair to grease my roots with olive oil, and then I retwist. I also use the olive oil to lock in my leave-in conditioner. This will be the final retwist. Once my hair is finished, I leave it twisted until my next wash, making sure to wear a bonnet or a scarf at night. If I need to look presentable, I'll wear a hat or throw on a wig. I'll be checking back in a few weeks to see and compare the difference. See you then!